Imagine a magic tool that drives a flood of cars to your auto repair shop overnight. Sounds crazy? But AI local search tools do exactly that. Picture this, your shop popping up first when someone nearby types "car repair now." AI zeroes in on local searches like a hawk. It's like having a supercharged GPS guiding customers right to your door. But here's the twist. It's not just about being found. AI analyzes patterns, peak times, and customer behavior to tailor your promotions perfectly. Crazy, right? You could be offering discounts just when your neighborhood needs them most. Plus, AI handles reviews and reputation on autopilot, boosting trust so new customers roll in without hesitation. Think about it. More cars, less marketing guesswork, and your calendar filling up fast. AI local search tools turn your repair shop into the hottest spot in town, visible, trusted, unstoppable. Ready to turbocharge your business? How many potential customers are just one AI-powered search away from finding you? The future of auto repair marketing is here. Are you in or out?